Hello trader, XAUUSD. We can see that back-to-back 3 days dodgy formation. Especially yesterday, we have seen that this market has broken this support and form a very narrow doji. Today, once the market opened with a gap, we can see that significant movement possible. As last day of trading week, we can expect increased volatility in the latest session today. So we will be looking for lower time frame entry opportunity in this market. Now, before we look at, let's quickly look at the highest time frame to see overall picture in the market, and then we'll jump onto the lower time frame to see potential entry opportunities, starting with the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. Now, as we discussed in quite a few of our analysis, gold long-term picture is bullish. We can see that this monthly candle also closing as a potential bull candle. If we look at the historical perspective, we can see that this market is has formed an inverted head and shoulder breakout, pullback, another breakout, and you have seen that this is the monthly pullback, which is almost came to 50% of this move, and now it is getting a rejection as this is almost nearly to the monthly close. What I think that if this candle is closing above this monthly support level, which might lead the next candle to bounce back up again, and as it is an all-time high price here, we might see new potential all-time high in the upcoming month. So from the monthly, we can see potential bullish momentum. Now looking at the weekly chart to see how the market has done. Now from the weekly, we can see that past week was a green candle that has gap open on both sides, which is a full green candle. And now this week we can see the market has come to this support level, which is a significant weekly support, exactly tested this previous support, which is a doji. From here the market has moved in this uptrend from the weekly, and after this bullish candle formation this week, we can see the market has exactly rejected from the same level. Now if we narrow down to the zone, we can see the market also left few pip imbalance here, which is form a higher low. So that's a sign that the buyers were active on that level and didn't let that price to cross the previous support level, and the bulls were active in that zone. Therefore weekly price action might remain bullish as well. If we see that later today the market is bouncing back up, there will be a weekly close as a narrow doji, which might lead the next week's candle as well to bounce back up, completing an inverted head and shoulder. Could be another potential reversal for long-term bullish movement on XAU USD. Now if we look at the daily chart to see how the market is doing, now from the daily we can see that this is the daily price action on gold, and there is a huge daily bounce here, followed by we have seen that there is a daily drop. And what we can see that back to back 3 dojis formation, previous daily doji is also strong liquidity grab from this support level, form as a narrow doji. As a result, today we can see that once the market opened, immediately has got a rejection towards the upside. Now today's candle is so far significantly bullish, and I think that the market might drop down for deeper pullback and then could continue to bounce back up. Therefore from the daily, any pullback in that direction can give us potential entry opportunity for further upside on XAU USD. Now looking at the 1 hour chart to see how the market is evolving, we can see that in this lower time frame we can spot a bullish channel here. This is a bull market, and as you can see the market tested here as a support. There is a bounce, and then we can see this is a resistance line here. From this support level multiple time the market had a strong breakout. Therefore the price tested this resistance, has dropped back to the support, again has reached that resistance, and what I think that we might see a potential retest of this support, which is a very important area of value. as this is the daily support. There are a couple of narrow red candle formation, which is high liquidity zone, and also it is an important support level. Therefore, later today we will be waiting for deeper pullback, as we can see the market having some rejection from this level. Now it may drop to that level, or it may even bounce from this previous resistance turning support, depending on the price action confirmation from any of this level. We will be looking for potential bullish trading opportunity on XAUUSD for this potential move to the upside with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this free education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.